What makes love last? The answer lies not in grand gestures or perfect moments, but in understanding the psychology that shapes our connections. Every relationship has its own unique dance, but beneath these patterns lie universal psychological principles that shape how we connect, communicate, and grow together. Our attachment styles, formed in early life, act as invisible blueprints for our relationships. Some of us seek closeness, others value independence, and many navigate somewhere in between. The foundation of any lasting relationship is empathy, the ability to truly understand and share your partner's feelings. Active listening isn't just about hearing words. It's about understanding the emotions and needs behind them. Emotional intelligence is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. Understanding your own emotional triggers allows you to respond rather than react. Conflict isn't the enemy of love. It's an opportunity for growth. The goal isn't to avoid conflict, but to transform it into understanding. Lasting love isn't found. It's built, moment by moment, choice by choice. Small, daily actions create the foundation for lasting intimacy. Understanding the psychology of relationships empowers us to create deeper, more meaningful connections. Because when we understand the science of love, we can nurture its art. Every relationship is a journey, and with the right tools and understanding, it's a journey worth taking together.